The Empty Chair by the Window. An inspirational English story for A1-B1 learners. Every morning, Maya arrived early at school. She liked quiet places. She liked the sound of birds. She liked watching the sunlight come through the classroom window. Near the window stood an old wooden desk. Beside it was an empty chair. No one sat there. Not during class. Not during breaks. Not even during exams. The chair was always empty. Maya often looked at it. She wondered why. One Monday morning, she asked her teacher, "Why does nobody sit in that chair?" Her teacher smiled. "That chair is special," she said. "But not because of who sat there before." Maya was surprised. "Then why is it special?" Her teacher pointed to the window. "Because it reminds us to look beyond ourselves." Maya did not understand. For several days, she kept thinking about those words. One afternoon, while looking through the window, she saw an old man walking slowly along the street. The man carried a heavy bag. He looked tired. Many people passed him. Nobody stopped. Maya watched him until he disappeared around a corner. The next day, she saw a young mother trying to carry groceries and hold her child's hand at the same time. Again, people hurried past. Nobody offered help. Maya began noticing something. Many people were busy. Many people were focused on themselves. Very few people stopped to help others. The empty chair made her think. Perhaps the chair was not empty at all. Perhaps it was a reminder. A reminder to notice people. A reminder to care. The following week, Maya decided to do something small. A new student joined her class. His name was Ben. He sat alone during lunch. Many students already had friends. Ben did not. Maya remembered the empty chair. She walked over to him. "Would you like to sit with us?" she asked. Ben smiled. "Yes, thank you." That simple invitation changed his day. Maybe even his week. After that, Maya looked for other ways to help. When someone dropped books, she helped pick them up. When a classmate forgot a pencil, she shared hers. When another student felt nervous before a presentation, Maya encouraged her. These were small actions. Very small. But they made people smile. Months passed. One day, the principal announced a school competition. Students had to suggest an idea that could improve the community. Many students proposed large projects. Some wanted new parks. Others wanted sports events. Maya had a different idea. Her idea was called the Empty Chair Project. Everyone was curious. "What is that?" they asked. Maya stood before the audience and explained. "The empty chair reminds us to notice people around us." She continued. "What if each student spends 1 hour every week helping someone? It can be a neighbor. It can be a classmate. It can be a family member. It can be anyone. The help does not need to be big. It only needs to be kind." The room became quiet. Then people began to clap. The judges loved the idea. Maya's project won first place. Soon, students across the school joined the project. Some helped younger children read books. Some visited elderly neighbors. Some cleaned public spaces. Some simply listened to lonely people. The school changed. Students became friendlier. Teachers noticed more kindness. Parents noticed it too. 1 year later, the principal invited Maya to speak again. This time, she stood beside the empty chair. She looked at the students and smiled. "When I first saw this chair," she said, "I thought it was empty. But now I know it is full." The students listened carefully. It is full of opportunities. It is full of kindness. It is full of choices. Every day, we can choose to help someone. Every day, we can choose to make the world a little better. The room was silent. Then everyone applauded. Years later, Maya returned to the school as an adult. She walked into her old classroom. The window was still there. The sunlight was still warm. And the empty chair was still standing quietly beside the desk. Maya smiled. She touched the back of the chair. Then she noticed a small sign attached to it. The sign read, "Look out! Reach out! Help someone!" Maya smiled even wider. She realized something important. The chair had never been about a single person. It had never been about the past. It had always been about the future. It reminded people that kindness begins when we notice others. And sometimes, one small act of kindness can inspire hundreds more. The empty chair by the window remained empty. But its message continued to fill hearts for many years. Moral of the story: you do not need to do great things to change the world. Small acts of kindness, repeated every day, can make a big difference in many lives.